Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at making a tax return eligible for Efile. In the previous video, Ms. Peters' tax return was completed. But after reviewing the Notes and Diagnostics page, we found out that her tax return was not eligible for federal e-filing. DT Max has informed us that we need to enter the keyword no income to make the tax return eligible for federal e-filing. Please note that there are multiple reasons that a tax return can be ineligible for e-file, and this is just one of them. In coming videos, we're going to cover different scenarios that can prevent a tax return from being eligible for e-filing, and I'm going to show you how you can fix them. Before we update Ms. Peters' file, I would like to show you another way you can know if a file is ineligible for e-file. Let's look at the processing status in the client list. Press F10 on your keyboard or click on the Client List tab in the bottom left corner of the menu bar to go to the client list. If your client list is customized so that you can view the processing status of your clients, look at the processing status for Ms. Peters. If you don't have the processing status available to view and would like to follow along, stop this video and review the video entitled Interface and Customization, located in the Getting Started folder, and come back when you are ready. Now, under the Canada processing status for Ms. Peters, it reads Ready to Print. And under the Quebec processing status for Ms. Peters, it reads Queue Ready for e-file. But we don't want to print and file her taxes on paper. We would like to e-file both taxes. So, as you can see, looking at the processing status in the client list can also be helpful in discerning when something needs your attention. Let's go back now to the data entry screen and enter a new keyword, no income, to make the tax return eligible for federal e-filing. Press F2 on your keyboard or double-click on the file. Now we're in. Remember, DT Max is an intuitive program and will help you in finding whatever you're looking for once you begin typing. Before you begin typing a new keyword, remember to select a field with a drop-down arrow and then begin typing. Type only the first two letters of the keyword and click OK or press Enter. The select keyword appears with no income as its first choice highlighted. Click OK to accept. No income is inserted into the data with a drop-down menu to select yes or no. Select yes to file the tax return using e-file without any income. Now let's recalculate and view the Notes and Diagnostics page. To recalculate the tax return, you can click on Tools at the top in the menu bar and select Recalculate Current Client from the drop-down menu, or you can press Alt F9 on your keyboard. Once the tax has been calculated, select the Notes and Diagnostics page, and then look to the right on the displayed page. As you can see under the Federal e-file, it says now that the federal return can be filed using e-file. We now can e-file both Canada and Quebec taxes. So make it a habit to view the Notes and Diagnostics page each time you calculate or recalculate a tax return. It will save you a lot of time. In the next video, we are going to look at error and warning messages that can be very helpful and how to fix them. See you over there.